Dear grade 9 students, in this period we will solve question 5 and 6 of exercise 10.4. Question 5 can be solved in two different methods. Let us see one by one. Three girls, Reshma, Selma and Mandeep, are playing a game by standing on a circle of radius 5 meters. So we have a large circle of radius 5 meter. Reshma throws a ball to Selma and Selma throws it to Mandeep and Mandeep will throw it back to Reshma. Let's mark the meeting point of OS and RM as T and the distance from R to T is X. We know that distance between Reshma to Sandeep is 6 meters and Selma to Mandeep is 6 meters. Now let us consider the two triangles OTR, in triangle OTR and triangle OTM. We can see that angle ROT is equal to angle MOT. Angle ROT is equal to angle MOT. Can you say the reason? The reason is based on a theorem that we studied in this lesson. RS and SM are equal chords. Equal chords subtend equal angles at the center. If you have a line, the angle subtended by two lines of same measurement will be same. So this is 6 meters, 6 meters, so the angle subtended will be equal. So by theorem, it is angle subtended by equal chords. So we have an angle. RO is equal to MO because both of them are radius or radii. OT is common. So which property is applied here? RO, side, angle, side, by SAS, triangle, ROT is congruent to triangle MOT, which means angle OTR is equal to angle OTM, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Why we take this angle? Because we want to prove that there is a 90 degree here. At a point on a line, if you have two equal angles, each one will be 90 degree because 90 plus 90 will give you 180 degree. Therefore, OT is perpendicular to RM. And we have studied that perpendiculars from the center bisect the chord. Therefore, RT is equal to TM. The reason is perpendiculars from the center bisect the chord. So if this is X, this is also X. Now let us consider the distance from O to T as Y. And the radius is 5 meters we have. In triangle, OTR, y square plus x square is equal to 5 square, which is 25, by Pythagoras theorem. Or we can get x square is equal to 25 minus y square. This we need it to apply it in the next equation. Now consider the triangle RTS. It is also 90 degree because one side is 90, the other side will also be 90 degree. Now we know that OS is a radius. From radius, which is 5 meters, we take away y. So this will be 5 minus y. So we can write 5 minus y the whole square plus x square is equal to 6 square. Again, Pythagoras theorem. From the triangle RTS. So applying the identity of a minus b the whole square, we will get 25 minus 10y, because 2 times 5 times y, plus y square, plus x square means it is 25 minus y square is equal to 36. Y square and y square get cancelled. 25 plus 25 is 50. So we get negative 10y is equal to 36 minus 50. Or we get negative 10y is equal to negative 14, or y is equal to 1.4. Negative and negative will get cancelled. 14 divided by 10 is 1.4. The value of y is 1.4. So when you replace 1.4 in equation 1, we will get from equation 1, we get x square is equal to 25 minus y square, 1.4 square, which is x square is equal to 25 minus 1.96, because you know 14 square is 196, or x square is equal to 23.04. So taking the root, which is very close to 25, so it is 4.8 meters. X is 4.8, so Rm will be 2 times x, so it will be Rm is equal to 2 times 4.8, which is approximately equal to, not exactly approximate, because 23.04 is not a perfect square, approximately equal to 9.6 meters. So the distance between Reshma and Mantip is approximately 9.6 meters. This is one of the methods. Moving on to the second method, again, let's see the distance between them. They are 6 meters apart. And again, let us consider the two triangles. We have proved that triangle OTR is congruent to triangle OTM by SAS congruence rule. The radius OR is equal to OM. Angle ROT is equal to angle MOS, because equal angles subtended by equal chords, and OT is common, so side, angle, side. Then we can see that angle OTR is equal to angle OTM by CPCT, which means angle OTR and OTM, both of them are 90 degree, because at a point, if you have two angles equal, to make a straight line, it will be 90 degree each. Now we consider the triangle ORS. Area of triangle ORS can be taken in two ways. And you know, area of a triangle is half times base times height. Here the base is OS, which is the radius, which is 5 meters, times RT, we don't know, let us take it as X. So this is the area of ORS, keeping OS as the base. Now let us consider the triangle ORS with RS as the base. So again, we can say area of triangle ORS is equal to half times the base is RS times the height is OP. And we can see that OP square and PS square will give you OS square, because that is a right triangle. So in triangle OPS, OP square plus PS square is equal to OS square. OP square is missing. PS is half of 6, which is 3 meters. So 3 square is equal to 25. Or we find the answer, OP square is equal to 25 minus 9, 16. OP is equal to 4. So equation 1 will give us half of RS, which is 6 centimeters, times OP, which is 4 centimeters. So the area will be equal to 3 times 4, 12 meters square. So area of this triangle is 12 meters. Also, we get the area of this triangle is half of 5 times x. So let this be equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, we found that area is 12. Also, area is half times 5 times x. Therefore, x is equal to 12 times 2 divided by 5. Or x is equal to 24 divided by 5 is 4.8. So x is 4.8. So Rm is equal to x plus x2x. So 2 times 4.8. So Rm is equal to 9.6 meters. Moving on to question 6. A circular park is of radius 20 meters. 3 boys, Ankur, Syed, and David, are sitting at equal distances of its boundary, each having a toy telephone. Find the length of the string of each phone. So let this be the string. A to S or S to D or D to A, all of them are of same measurement. For that, we have to do a construction. Join A to P to consider the triangle APS. And by the property of equilateral triangle, a line joining a vertex to the opposite side passing through the center of the circle will be perpendicular and it will be bisected. So let us consider this is x and this is x and this is also perpendicular. So the total length is 2x. So we can say that AP is perpendicular to SD and AP bisects SD because it is an equilateral triangle. So let each string be 2x. Then SP is equal to x. In the triangle APS, it is a right triangle. So we can see that AP square plus SP, which is x square, is equal to 2x the whole square. It is the hypotenuse. Or we get AP square is equal to 4x square minus x square, or AP square is equal to 3x square. Or finally, when you take square root on both the sides, we'll get square root 3x. That is AP. The whole AP is root 3x. But we know that this part is 20 meters because that is the radius. In triangle OPS, OP square plus x square is equal to 20 square, Pythagoras theorem again. But OP can be taken from the relation root 3x and 20. The whole length is root 3x. From that, take away 20 so that you will get this. So OP will be equal to root 3x minus 20. So we will get root 3x minus 20 the whole square, first side, plus the second side is equal to the square of the radius, which is applying the identity. Root 3x square is 3x square because root 3 get cancelled, minus 2 times 20 times root 3, which is 40 root 3 x plus 400 plus x square is equal to 400. 400 and 400 get cancelled. 3x square plus x square is 4x square is equal to 40 root 3x because negative 40 root 3 will be positive 40 root 3. Dividing x on both sides, we will get 4x is equal to 40 root 3, or x is equal to 40 root 3 by 4, x is equal to 10 root 3. The value of x is 10 root 3, so therefore SD will be equal to 2 times 10 root 3, which is 20 root 3 meters. That is the distance between the string of two boys, or that is the length of the string. And if you want to replace the value of root 3, it is 1.7 multiplied by 20 meters. You will get the exact value in terms of decimal. Not exact because root 3 is an irrational number, but approximate value for this irrational number. That's all for this exercise. See you.